This is for the girl or guy who has absolutely no idea what to get their mom, their sister, or girlfriend for the holidays. Here's the perfect gift guide. We are going to create a personalized hair care gift set with a cosmetics bag. So this is going to be the star of the show, and we're going to place all the items into this cosmetics bag. This bag was exclusively designed by fashion designer Joseph Altuzarra. First item we have going into the gift set is a scalp serum. This is a scalp serum from Aveda. It is the Scalp Solutions Overnight Scalp Renewal Serum. Next, we have a hair mask. This one is Aveda's Botanical Repair Intensive Strengthening Mask. Next, we have a thickening foam. Everyone needs a thickening foam in their hair routine. This is Aveda's Embody Ultra Advanced Thickening Foam. And lastly is this wooden paddle brush. I feel like you can never have too many brushes. This brush specifically has extended bristles for easy detangling and less stress on the hair and scalp. And there we have it, the perfect personalized gift set for any woman in your life.